Do you know, like this type of product, which further be used in aerospace, defense, and automotive, how much precision and accuracy is required? Welcome to new episode of What's Your Challenge. Today we have with us Deepak Das, Managing Director of Orient Tools.
We Orient Tool, actually a cutting tool manufacturing company. We established in 2011. We make wide range of solid carbide tools for different industries, like automobile, aerospace, 3C industry, generalist industry. That a very wide range of tools we are manufacturing. You can see here, since 2011 as on date, we produced so many tools for different projects, and we are succeeded in that. Product range includes drills, end mills, step drill, form tools, and now we are going for micro tool also. Our vision is that our already an established company in Indian cutting tool industry, the coming future is something different than what we see in this time. So we are focusing on that. We are coming with some new product for the micro tools. We make so many different tool in different diameter range, maybe length range. As you can see, our small size is starting from 0.3, and we can make up to the diameter of 32, or length you can see almost 300 mm fluid length drill also we are making. To making this kind of tools, we need good machines and software. To combine together, the outcome will be like this. You can, as I shown here, you can go around the machine and see how it's work. This is actually one of the latest machine we are added here, ANCA MX5 machine. Actually, Yogesh is working here since last 5 years. Yogesh will explain you because he know about this machine very well.
या मशीनमध्ये प्रोग्रॅमिंग पूर्ण सोपी होती. प्रोग्रॅमिंगमध्ये तुम्हाला बाय डिफॉल्ट यांच्याकडे विजार्ड आहेत. एंडमिल विजार्ड, ड्रिल विजार्ड, बॉलनोज विजार्ड, लॉलीपॉप असे भरपूर विजार्ड यांच्या बाय डिफॉल्ट आलेले आहेत. त्याच्यामुळे प्रोग्राम बनवण्यासाठी खूप इझी जात आहे. एन्कामध्ये आम्ही टूल आपण बनवल्यानंतर त्याची ॲक्युरेसी, त्याची लाईफ ही एन्का मशीन खूप बेटर देत आहे. त्याच्यामुळे आपण एन्का मशीन प्रेफर केली पाहिजे. तसंच प्रोग्राममध्ये त्याच्या करेक्शन्स इझी आहेत. फॉर्म टूल बनवतो आपण, लॉंग ड्रिल बनवतो, स्टेप ड्रिल बनवतो. असे वेगवेगळे प्रकारचे टूल्स आपण ह्या मशीनमध्ये बनवतो. आणि आपण टूल सेट केल्यानंतर ह्या मशीनमध्ये ॲक्युरेसी असल्यामुळे व्हील चांगल्या क्वालिटीचे यूज केल्याबद्दल, कुलंट आणि प्रेशर असल्यामुळं आपलं टूल जे फर्स्ट कटर जे सेट होतं तेच आपण शेवटचं कटर म्हणजे आपलं ते क्वांटिटी असेल 80 असेल किंवा 100 असेल, तेच कटर आपलं ॲक्युरेसी एकदम परफेक्ट असल्यामुळे ते फर्स्ट आणि लास्ट कटर हे सेम असतं.
To deliver this quality services, we obviously need a trusted partner. And for Orient Tools, we have ANCA. Today we have Santosh Bhosle, Service Engineer from ANCA.
To execute the accuracies, and achieve the performance of tools, we required more accurate and calibrated machines. Here we are ANCA machine tools. First they bought FX5 machines with Nachi loader and laser equipments. With help of Nachi robot, they can load tool with the automation without any operators. So first they have to just make the settings and alignment of tools. Once everything is done and first tool is ground properly, so then they can start production with the help of automations. So with the help of automations, they can reduce the manpower, and that technical person they can use on other machines, like they have multiple machines we can see. Thank you so much to Orient Tools for having ANCA machines, many ANCA machines. And with the help of ANCA and with help of each other, we are solving the major industrial issues and providing more accurate tools. Hope this partnership must going on further. I would like to invite you at our stall, Hall 4 B110. Please visit us and see our new models. Yeah, please.
Thank you, Santosh. Definitely I will come and visit your stall. But before that, I want to tell you one thing. We are also participating on the show. You should come and visit our stall and see our product and explain.
Wow,
We
sure,
will
sir.
explain you
Yes,
about
yes,
that.
thank you. That's a great news. Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the magic of manufacturing industry, where solution providers and trusted partner will come together and showcase their product on same platform. See you there in IMTEX 2025.